I'm gonna cut all the top of the tomatoes off. The top. I'm gonna use the inside of the tomato to stuff my tomatoes with and different seasonings. And I'll show you what to mix up shortly. We take this little, cut this little stem out first. It'll look like that. And then we'll take the inside of the tomato out. All right, I'm gonna use a spoon this big to go around the edges and take the inside of the tomato out. Pour it in the bowl. Eventually we're gonna have to mash it up, so when we stuff the tomato, we'll season it and it'll look like this. We got 2 more to do. Okay. This is how the tomatoes look. I don't know if you can see that very well. They're kind of mashed up really good. You can mash it up with a masher, or you know, I just have one of these. It just kind of blends it up a little bit, so I'll use that to blend it up a little bit better so that they're not so chunky. And then it almost look like it's puree. And this is what it looks like. That's the tomatoes that's grounded up, mashed up. Okay, my tomatoes are all mashed up. I got all the chunks out, so it's kind of smooth. I have my seasonings, which are, onion powder. Put some of that in there, as much as you like, because it doesn't have any salt in it. We have garlic salt that I'm gonna use. That's my salt. And it has parsley in it. I have garlic powder. Parmesan cheese. And we have breadcrumbs. I have breadcrumbs. Italian style breadcrumbs. Pour that in. Stir it up. If it's a little loose, I will add more breadcrumbs because you want it to be be able to stuff your tomato with it. You don't want it to be loose and running. So I have more breadcrumbs. Still Italian with parsley in it. Stir it up. Be like this. It's not running, but it'll be able to hold inside of the tomato. I'm gonna add a little more Parmesan inside of mine, and I'm gonna add some more different cheese to it as well. I have 1 cup of the Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese in here. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit, and then the rest of it I'm gonna use on top of my tomato. Stir it in. Okay, that's my consistency of my tomatoes and the ingredients that I put in it. And now I'm gonna stuff them. Show you how it looks stuffed. That's one. Two. Three. And if I have any more left, I'll just top it with the rest of it. Okay, so that's about it. I'm gonna sprinkle my cheese on top. Then I'm gonna put it in a pan and put some aluminum foil over it, about 350, and let it cook for about 30-40 minutes or until done. A little parsley on top, just for decoration. A little Parmesan cheese on top. We'll put them in the pan. And then we'll put there you go. We'll put aluminum foil on top and let them cook. Okay, my oven is preheating at 350. And I have my stuffed tomatoes here. I have aluminum foil that I'm gonna, and I added a little of sweet pepper olive oil on the bottom. Just a little bit. I'm gonna wrap it in foil and put it in the oven. And we'll be back and we'll let it cook for about 40 minutes. See ya. Okay, so it says we have about 20 minutes there. I mean, like I said, you can cook it to the way you like it, but this is the way it's looking. And my oven's gonna shut off in about 20 minutes. So, there you go.